Hello, this is Grant Burris from the Tune-Up Shop in Costa Mesa, California. 949-645-4641. Here's a beautiful 1957 Corvette with an automatic transmission, recently purchased by the owner. Beautiful car, has 99,000 miles on it. Beautiful inside, clean all over. Typical, very clean 57 Corvette. Nearly completely stock. We just put a new carburetor on it. The automatic transmission works perfectly, and we've road tested it, and it's ready to go back home. We do a lot of cars like this here at the Tune-Up Shop. So you can reach us if you want to at tuneupshop.com or call us. The number is 949-645-4641 here in Orange County, Costa Mesa, California. So come and see us. Thanks for watching.